What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're moving house. So I did touch on it in a few of the other vlogs. We've been looking for a new house that has more car spaces, just a bit of a bigger place just for us, and we found one. So super stoked about it. So I'm going to show you guys a couple little snippets of us moving. It's going to feel like that to you guys. It's going to feel like all day and all week for me because I've been doing it literally all week. But we've got the truck today, big truck guy, and we're going to take all the furniture over. So cross your fingers with me. Let's hope that we don't break anything. And then once we've moved in, I'll take you for a nice little house tour, show you the new place, show you the new office, show you the new everything. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's jump in and move house. Alright, so I wasn't going to bore you guys with moving everything because it sucks. This is our third truckload and it's taken us all day. I estimated 2 truckloads and half a day. I was completely wrong. So thankfully we had this truck all day. So let's do a little quick snap of the fingers. Everything's going to be set up for you guys and we'll take you for a little tour. Alright, we're in. We're all finished. We're all moved in, boxes unpacked, everything's set up. It's a little bit echoey because we're missing things like a dining table and our theatre's not set up, and the extra spare room's not set up because the house we came from was a lot smaller. So really happy we're in a bigger house. Really happy I've got room for extra cars, things like that. But yeah, let's go for the tour and show you around. All right, we're gonna take you through the fun way. So right at the moment, this is set up kind of like half gym, just like spare stuff. So obviously, big TV cabinet there, that's gonna be there for the theater. Haven't got the couch yet. We're gonna get another TV, things like that. So if you guys know the hookup on really good TVs, if you know some really nice couches, hit me in the comments, let me know, because we are looking, we wanna get something like really big for here. So imagine Christmas Eve evening, you've got the whole family around, you've got, you know, movies on, all that sort of stuff. That's what's gonna be happening in here, things like that. So nice and big, comfy, deep couch. Hit me up, send me links, let me have a look. So then we come around here, we got, this is actually our Christmas cupboard. It's all of our Christmas stuff and my golf clubs. And then we come around to the right. This is a bedroom. Dog's bed's over there because they sleep with us. And then through there we've got, all behind that wall there is a big walk-in wardrobe, which is great. Fits all of our stuff and probably like 2/3 of my shoes. And then obviously through there is the bathroom and shower. Can't take you through there because Brooke is actually having a shower at the moment and this is not that kind of channel. So then we've got the kitchen all set up. Oh, I love this, I love this. This is our wardrobe, this is our pantry. It's massive. So I reckon we make the top shelf snack shelf. That's what I reckon. So all the snacks, all the goodies. And this is our dining area. Like I said, don't have a dining table yet, so we're gonna set all that up. That's gonna be mint when that's all set up, and it'll get rid of the echo, which is cool. A little like decorative stuff, and then this is kind of our informal lounge, I guess you could call it, whatever. Our current couch and TV's all set up in here, just purely because we don't have a couch for the other one, and this would be a huge empty area if we didn't do that. Come through here, and we've got the main spare bedroom. Our friends are literally coming tonight and they're gonna be staying here, so I'm stoked. Stoked, we're gonna have some guests straight away. It's really good. Laundry's through there, spare toilet and spare bathroom. All set up. Brooke's been doing all the little decorative stuff, it's cute as. Then we come through here, we've got another cupboard, so like, you know, not just like towels and stuff. Other spare room, which, you know, at the moment it's just the bits room, but oh baby, they're done. Oh, not too much of that, I don't want to spoil that video. And then through here is mine and Brooke's office. So I got to kind of set this room up a little bit. I actually picked Brooke's chair. I don't know if she's happy about that, but I wanted them to match and I wanted a gaming chair, so whatever. All set up in here. And then you can't actually see, but out the back is, so we've got like a shed here, which is like 3 times the size of the last one. And the backyard's massive. Sorry it's night, but yeah, we've just been flat out trying to set this whole place up as quick as we could. So it's nice and homely, nice and quickly. And then that backyard wraps all the way around here. I'm just wondering, oh, hey Storm. I'll let you in a sec, bub. Can you see out there? Oh, I'll take you out there, stuff it. All right, so hard to see, sorry guys, but yeah, the bathroom, the Backyard goes like right back out there and then comes down here. And then, oh man, the lighting's so bad. Okay, so if you can see this line here, that goes all the way out to there, and the fence comes right across. So it's enough to fit definitely one car, possibly two. So the beam is gonna go there soon. I'm thinking about painting it first, but then bringing it back home. I don't know. Let's have a chat about that in the office. Okay, so as I was saying with the E46, the Beamer, that's getting painted soon. It is at work and works quite far from my house. So, and my painter is like 2 Ks away from work. So I'm obviously gonna bring it home to prep it because I can't prep it at work because obviously I work there. So I'll probably bring it here, prep it for paint, and then drive it down to my paint shop, get it painted, and then from then it'll get stored here. We do have to get, Storm, I'm trying to make a video, man. We do have to get the side gates changed to bigger gates so we can get cars down the side, but we were approved to do that at our own kind of cost before we rented the place. And yeah, oh, if you're wondering, yeah, we are renting. And yeah, that was a prerequisite for me to move in because obviously I need space for cars. That's the whole, well, one of the big points of us moving here and taking you guys along. I want you guys to come along with our journey through YouTube, through our lives, through our travels, through my cars, all that sort of stuff, through my dog making all the weirdest noises ever. Just because I think that's fun. I follow YouTubers and like, you know, someone like, for example, TJ Hunt or Adam LZ, big YouTubers, I know, like very big YouTubers. But I've watched like, say, TJ Hunt back from when he was in an apartment and he was just starting his RX-7 build to now he's got this like massive property with, he's building a shop on there. He's like building Ferraris and Lambos and all that kind of cool stuff. So I think it's really awesome to follow people's journeys, and I love seeing people's success. I just want everyone to do really good in life. So I thought it might be fun for you guys to come along with us. Hopefully in, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 years, maybe we're in a situation like that. We get some sponsors and AdSense and all that. Because as much as I did not make this channel to make money, I did it to help people with cars and just make some entertaining content, things like that. Money is also obviously a part of the channel because the more the channel makes, I will just reinvest that straight back into the channel. So better cameras, better builds, more builds, faster builds, because I do know that I've taken a little bit of time with the cars at the moment, and I'm sorry about that. But obviously things like moving house, we're saving up for a holiday to vlog that for you guys, all that sort of stuff does take time to save the dollars. So, my dog's barking. Yeah, money's a real thing. Like, it's a thing in life. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys and just be like, oh yeah, we can just do whatever, whenever. Like, you know, we've got to put money aside for it. So the more AdSense, the more sponsors we get, or if we ever get a sponsor, that'd be like so cool. Yeah, it's gonna go straight back into this to make cooler stuff for you guys. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, smash the like. If you want to hang around, see the growth of the channel, see the growth of, like, you know, holidays that Brooke and I go on, the cars, obviously, big part, more cars, all that sort of stuff. Hit the subscribe if you want to hang around. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.